She's a thief. My God, she's terribly overweight. Why are you laughing? Just laugh like this when someone says the same to you. Because it's about your perspective. It doesn't matter if I give you a room full of people who tell you that you are fat until you don't let that affect you. It's about your definition of fat. It's about your view of your weight. And that's the state you want to be in. We all share the wisdom with the world, but we don't share the same relationship with ourselves. To the ones we care about, we tell them not to take things so personally. But when it comes to ourselves, we be like, how can I not take it personally? So, we have a very different conversation with ourselves. Because for them, we want them to be in an elated state. But when it comes to us, we want to play the victim. And let's talk about the exact opposite. I could be extremely fat, but if people say, oh my God, you look so slim and trim, which means I have a weakness and the whole world is telling me that you're perfect, that I'm perfect. And I'm not to believe that. I have to check my weakness and change because I know where I was, I know where I am, and I know where I am heading. And that's all that matters. Thank you. And don't forget to be kind, remain humble, and exalt wisdom.